supervised learning for threat detection, unsupervised learning for anomaly detection, semi-supervised learning in cyber defense, adversarial machine learning, and model evaluation and validation are integral components of modern cybersecurity frameworks. In this section, you will learn how supervised learning techniques can be employed to identify and mitigate threats through labeled data, enabling systems to discern between normal and malicious activities with high accuracy. You will delve into the methodologies used to train models that can detect various types of cyber threats, exploring real-world applications and case studies. Moving forward, you will explore unsupervised learning approaches for anomaly detection, where the lack of labeled data challenges traditional detection methods. By understanding clustering and pattern recognition techniques, you will gain insights into identifying unusual activities that could signify potential security breaches, even when explicit examples of these threats are not available. The section on semi-supervised learning will bridge the gap between supervised and unsupervised techniques, illustrating how limited labeled data can be combined with vast amounts of unlabeled data to enhance threat detection capabilities. This hybrid approach is particularly pertinent in cybersecurity, where acquiring labeled data can be resource-intensive. As adversarial machine learning becomes increasingly relevant, you will study the tactics attackers use to deceive machine learning models, along with the defensive strategies to fortify these models against such threats. Understanding both offensive and defensive perspectives will equip you with the knowledge to design robust, resilient systems. Finally, the lessons on model evaluation and validation will provide you with the tools to assess the performance of your machine learning models. You will learn about various metrics and validation techniques that ensure your models are not only accurate, but also generalizable and reliable when deployed in real-world scenarios. This comprehensive overview will prepare you to integrate advanced machine learning techniques into your cybersecurity practices effectively.